Today I'm going to rivet these nut plates into this fuse panel holder that we drilled out yesterday with these little oops rivets.
So we had a little problem holding the squeezer because the darn thing is so heavy, so we clamped it up in the vise, and that's going to make it much easier to use while making sure the rivets are completely flush with the panel, right?
Yep. So today I finished riveting in the nut plates, and now our electrical panel should fit perfectly into here. There.
Nice job.